Knife montage time. It's the fourth one.
Doing a knife montage is so cool because I'm awesome at knifing. Cool.
I just had to move a second. Guys, you're just gonna stay down there a second as I move my chair. My gaming chair. Okay, there we go. We're a little closer to the screen now, as you can see, so we can see more descriptions and the things and...
Okay, so I died once. I've already got this. Twice. Died twice. But I'm playing, not online, I don't think. I'm not playing online.
No.
I couldn't have survived on that. So, as you can see, I have got a gun, just in case. I won't be needing it, because this is a knife montage.
But just in case you get, like, there's about 5,000 guys, so I get shit. Because it keeps sniping me like, fuck off! Don't stop constant. Pornographic knife.
Oh god damn it. Damn it.
Damn it, he just knifed you, man.
I couldn't say anything. So, you know, this isn't about surviving and getting kill streaks, it's just about knifing. I'm not about knifing. Man, this is so weird to control. I'm just like, I can't say anything most of the time.
They
Whoa.
Did you on?
Yes, please. I really need you to. Please.
What's your play on?
I don't know. But like,
Play on 4. Just feels stronger.
yeah, it is not here. That's not an idea. What the hell? I thought that guy was on a bike. So guys, I might not be that good at cards, but at knifing, I am very good. I am highly trained professional.
Okay, you're not trained, you just came on one day and started using knife and then you became awesome because you got
I became a boss.
Yeah, because you guys can't kill streak with a knife. I can only do a 5. And it's with tack knife. Do knife lunge.
What?
Knife lunge.
Shut up! Please. Seriously, dude, I just made some freaking crap. I'm talking about. Hey.
Do we need some music over this? Yeah, you need music in montages. I choose some music.
No, is it me editing it?
I want to choose the music.
No, but I want to choose the music.
So, but you have to put the music all the way through the video.
No.
So it's what you do in montages. Fuck off here. Fuck off here. Jesus Christ, sir.
Oh damn. He had a split thing. That was unfair. Sir, I declare that was unfair. Oh damn. That was nasty. Now I just need to pick up my gun. Please, can I pick up my gun? Oh damn. He's angry. Look at that. If you want to protect, does it stop doing it? Nope. Oh, what? Who's letting these guys run around here? Okay. First of all, I will kill people in this. This is not a bad example. This is not a bad example. I declare it not to be a bad example. And I survived, and I killed someone, and I died. I'm very proud of myself. I have to bring it down. I should really be dying right now, so much for that.
No.
But you can't help it.
Just ignore that. He's just dying for attention. I'll show you after the end of the day.
You guys get tight. Okay? You won't be able to hear what we're saying, so we could say all stuff like, oh my god, it's so retarded.
What do you mean?
I'm only joking. Oh, shoot. Holy shit.
Do you reckon I was pressing the knife button to get a different knife out? I picked you a flat pie.
Oh, what flavor?
Pie flavour. Right in the back. Oh, right in the back there. And you just said, knife one. I don't that's a knife one's really tell about like that.
Oh, damn. I got hit by a bomb that wasn't fresh. I dipped out. Did I let that not count? No.
Orange.
Oh, he teleported.
Did you win?
Huh?
Did you win?
Yeah.
Why the hell?
Who are these fuckers, man?
No, it's not. I used them.
Whatever. I can say what I want. You called me a dick. I'm gonna say that. So I'm allowed to call you what I want.
Yeah, but you're just calling me ridiculous.
But that's not an offensive name as you called me a dick. Okay.
Dick's a boy's name.
Dick is also the meaning for a boy's penis.
I meant the dick as in the person.
No, you didn't. My name isn't Dick, so you didn't.
Oh gosh, I thought it was some dick. Dicky Martin Thompson. That's the dumbest fucking place for a care package.
I'm gonna go kill the guy who's down there too.
Oh, it's on the roof. You have to jump to it. You have to jump to it.
Oh, damn, why do I keep on dying? I'm shooting these guys, or I'm killing these guys. Hold on.
That was your knife one touch.
Okay, now press stop.
Places, races, races! You can't hear us!